I'm going to show you a card trick that's so easy, you can perform it right after watching this video. So to start, we're going to give the deck a little bit of a shuffle just like this, and now we can have the spectator choose any card from the middle. I will turn my head so I can't see, but please go ahead and remember this card the best you can. Once that card is remembered, I'll have the spectator cut that card anywhere into the center of the pack, and they can continue cutting the cards as many times as they want. It truly doesn't matter. And we can also turn the cards over and continue cutting the cards. It really doesn't matter. But let's say they stop right over here. So this card that you've just cut to is the 8 of spades. Now you could have cut to any position, but since you cut to an 8, we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we get to this card right here. Look, if it had been a 9, it would have been the ace of diamonds, but that wasn't your card, right? Because your card should be the 5 of hearts. Here's how the trick works. You will need to prepare 13 cards ahead of time. I chose the spades, but you can choose any suit that you'd like. And you're going to arrange them in descending numerical order from king all the way down to ace. Once you have these cards, these will be placed on the bottom of the deck. Now, if you are a beginner, you can start the trick just like this in this position here. But if you are more advanced and want to throw in a false shuffle like I did in the performance, then feel free to give the cards a little bit of a false shuffle, but still maintain those cards on the bottom of the deck. So at this point, the spectator can truly choose any card from the top half of the deck. Just be sure not to give them an option of picking one of the cards from the bottom. And now they can look at the card, remember it. In this case, we have the King of Hearts. Once this card goes on top of the deck, they can cut the card anywhere into the deck, and they can continue giving the cards single cuts just like this, and it will not disturb the order of the deck. Now at this point, the spectator can turn the cards over, and you can continue cutting the cards face up. All you need to do is look out for when they cut to a spade. I did the same in the performance, but I will prove it truly doesn't matter. Let's say they cut to the 10 of spades in this case. No matter which spade they cut to, you're going to stop them and say, look, this is the card you've cut to, the 10 of spades. You're going to take the card off the bottom, turn the cards over, and now, no matter which spade they choose, this number will automatically correspond to the position of their card. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it was the King of Hearts, and that will be their card every time. If they choose the Jack of Spades, it would be 11, Queen of Spades is 12, and King of Spades would be 13.